Uyabona, reading ama-comments ama-comrades nabathize, uyabona ukuthi umkhwanazi engagcina esuspendiwe noma esusiwe esikhundleni ngoba uyabona banomgxeka ukuthi kungani ezokhuluma emphakathini, why lento engahengishanga internally, why engavulanga amacala abopha abantu. Iqiniso ukuthi uze emphakathini ngoba vele isystem kwayena engasayithembi ngoba ithinta abaholi abaphezulu. So siwumphakathi we have a right to know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Umkhwanazi wenze kahle, njalo umkhwanazi Shamase wenze kahle ukuthi usitshele siwumphakathi ngoba zimpilo zethu lezi, ikusale ingane zethu lezi, ukuthi singaba nezwe la khona abaholi abaphezulu benza ubugebengu bese kuthiwa kumele kuthulwe ungashiwe emphakathini. Thina siyabonga ukuthi ube nesibindi sokuthi usitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Thina njengomphakathi umsebenzi wethu ukuthi we must defend umkhwanazi. So today ngenza i-call yokuthi uma nje umkhwanazi eke wasuspendwa noma wamiswa, we must stand up, we must stand up, we must protest all over the country, we must protest all over the country to defend the truth. This is not about defending umkhwanazi, ukudefenda izwe lethu. We must defend izwe lethu ngoba we can't be hijacked by criminals bese kuthi labo who are fighting with criminals kube yibona who get penalized ngokulwa nobugebengu. So we are saying big up kumkhwanazi. Uma nje bebamthinta akube ukuthi thithisa sonke seyizwe, asisukume sime ngenyawo, itheku solivala phaqa. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi wenza ubukuphi wena.